Hi guys, welcome to Disha Talk. How are you doing today? Today we are going to check Portland Jerk Center. Jerk is very famous in Jamaica. Jerk seasoning and jerk chicken and jerk fish is one of the best dishes available in Jamaica. And most of the tourists, when they come, when we take them to any locations, we take them to either Jerk Center, Portland Jerk Center, or any jerk stalls which are available here. Just like how in any other countries we get a lot of street food, one of the famous street food in Jamaica is also jerk chicken, which you must definitely try. So today we are going to go to Portland Jerk Center, and jerk seasoning from Portland is very famous because of the Scotch bonnet which is available there. And right in the heart of Ocho Rios we have a place where they prepare this special seasoning from Portland and it is served. So let's go check it, guys. So guys, we are in Ochi Market today and we are going to check Portland Jerk Center. So let's see what they have. So Bobby is driving us. Hello Tacho, camera ke.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, that's our Ocho Rios Market.
Thank you.
So which part is Portland Jerk Center, Bobby?
Oh, here, on the right. I was going on the left.
So it's right in Main Street, guys.
After the ATM of Scotia Bank.
Oh, after this ATM, after Sophia's.
There's a big Ben, meat and grocery. Big Ben. So over there you have to turn in the parking.
Okay, right here by Big Ben. Alright guys, we are entering Portland Jerk Center now. As you can see, it is right beside Big Ben Supermarket. Portland Jerk Center, right in the heart of Ocho Rios. I have to mute the audio in this section because of the music which is playing in the restaurant. We have all the Christmas lighting and nice decorations because Christmas and New Year time is there right now, and the atmosphere looks so festive and nice. The ambience is really cool, guys, and the price is also quite reasonable. I'm just looking at the menu right now and I'm going to order jerk chicken. Bobby is just getting quarter jerk chicken for him and quarter for me. And guys, you have the option of choosing jerk chicken, fried chicken, combo with drinks, without drinks, and right now I have ordered one with festival and one with fries. Wow, what a beautiful view also there from here, and you also have a little place to have some recreation with friends. So right now we place the order. And as soon as it's ready, the person right here will give it to us. The customer service is really good. They're really friendly, guys. You must try this place. And very neat and very tidy, very nicely maintained. Small place but really nicely maintained. You'll have to wait for a little while, and this is we waiting. It's evening time. Generally this place is jam-packed in weekends, guys. One weekend me and my husband had to come and we waited for almost an hour because it was really packed and there were so many people here. Since it's a weekday, it's less crowded. We have a small bar right here. So our food is ready. And also guys, there is jerk sauce, ketchup and other spicy sauce available right here. Bobby loves the jerk sauce, so he's going to add a lot of it in his box. It's really spicy guys, so I'm going to ask him to just put little bit in mine and some ketchup in mine. He does not like ketchup. And Portland jerk sauce is really good, really different, very unique in taste. Must try. And I need some ketchup in mine. Oh, he is putting some in his one too. Very little more in mine. Yeah, man. So let's carry this home, go home and open it, and I'll tell you then that how it is. So time to go home. We have beautiful Christmas lights outside. Very nice view. Moonlit light. Wow, just beautiful. So we've got one chicken with fries and we have got one with festival. We had got the leg and thigh portion of the chicken, and we also had some jerk sauce put separately here because it tastes really good. And the jerk sauce, which is from Portland, is very unique, very different in taste guys, and really yummy. You must try. So guys, whenever you come to Jamaica or Ocho Rios, definitely try the Portland Jerk Center. Thank you for watching my video today on Disha Talk guys. Stay tuned for more videos and more fun.